Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10C and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is using directly our contact list, so we can block a number which we've got currently saved, or we can do it, let's say, manually. And of course I'll show you both options. So first of all, let's begin with the contact list. Let's open the contacts. Find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to block this number because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option. And if you're ready, just tap on block. As you can see, it is notified, actually immediately notified right here. We've got also this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked this number. Of course, we can unblock it the same way, here just by tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So, as I said, that was the first way of blocking a number. And now let me show you the second way. So here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and that was a misclick, and enter the settings. Here we have to enter blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts. And here we are able to add a number manually. So just tap on add a number and simply enter it. Tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist, and again you will no longer receive calls or messages from this number. Of course, you can unblock it whenever you want to just by tapping on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. And here you've got also the option unknown, which means that after activating it, just by tapping on the switcher, your device will be allowed to block calls from all unidentified callers. So that's quite useful, and of course you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.